Welcome back, Dreamers. Now there's so much going on here at Billabong Views, so today I'm going to give you an update of what's about to come. Can't wait, let's get into it. Our stockyard here, it's going to get a revamp, it's going to have some gardens put in and a nice centrepiece. Great place to come out and enjoy some food and some drinks with friends on those summer nights. The Billabong Eats transformation continues. We've already got the steps that we put in earlier. We'll continue to put in some plants from the million trees with the council, and then we'll mulch the gardens for our plant health and our moisture retention. Now our pump here is what feeds all the water up to our lawns and into our gardens, so the house is going to get a little bit of a revamp to keep it protected from the weather and ease of use when coming down here to add the chemicals into the Venturi system. Now you beer brewing enthusiasts will love this one. Little known fact is that we actually grow our own hops here on Billabong Views. Now I know it gets hot here in Queensland, but we'll show you how you can grow hops in a climate like this. Now we'll get an abundance of hops off here, and we'll show you in early March how you can use fresh hops to make it absolutely delicious beer. Now this one I'm really excited about. The front yard is dry, it's really dull, so we're going to be putting in pop-up irrigation, the same as we've got on our back lawn as well. We'll show you how to connect it into the main line and set up separate runs for the sprinklers to make sure they work correctly, especially when we're putting our fertiliser through our Venturi. I can't wait to see the difference out here in a couple of weeks' time. Now this part here is a little bit of a secret, something I'm really looking forward to doing. We're going to be adding some things in here which are going to give adults and kids alike a lot of fun when it comes to the festive season. We're going to continue the renos that you can see behind of us building in underneath the house. We've got some windows to go in. We're going to continue ripping down some walls and putting up new frames and then cladding the outside. We'll get some expert advice and we'll show you that you can do this for yourself. And with spring approaching, we'll show you how we get the lawn ready for the hot summers that we get here in Queensland. Take you through our care routine, our fertiliser schedule, and we'll show you how easy it is for you to get a lawn that looks as good as this. We've got so much to get done here on Billabong Views and I can't wait to get into it. So make sure you join us for the videos to come and we'll see you next time on Billabong Views.